Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create flying smartphone animation on CapCut Mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my CapCut application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new project on CapCut. I'm going to tap on new project and I'm just going to use a video from the CapCut library because I don't have any video to be edited. And for example, I'm going to choose this video. Okay, this is for my main video for my project. Okay, and then the second one, I'm going to add the video. I'm going to put on the smartphone frame. I'm going to go to overlay and add overlay. And I'm going to add the second video. So I'm just going to put this video on the smartphone frame. I'm going to click on add. Okay, then I'm going to adjust the duration. I'm going to make them have same duration. Okay, and then we can tap on the second video and then go to the animation to get the flying smartphone animation. Tap on the video, go to the animation. Okay, then you're going to select combo. Okay, and here you can scroll down until you find the smartphone animation. You can just keep scrolling down and try to find the smartphone animation. This one guys, you can select this animation, and as you can see that the flying smartphone animation has been created. Okay, then you will be able to customize the size of the smartphone. You just need to zoom in and zoom out like this. You can also place this smartphone on any part of your video, just like that. And for example, I'm going to make it larger. Okay, we can also customize the duration right here. And I'm just going to leave it like that. Okay, and then this is the final result, guys. And once you're ready to export the video, you just need to click on this export button and the video will be saved to your gallery. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create flying smartphone on CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.